Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach a very useful guide on how to fix print preview failed error in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, navigate to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So if you have tried to press Control P in the Google Chrome and the print preview failed, or it's not showing, or it's not, the error which is print preview failed is appearing, then we need to fix that. So by that, navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to control and customize the Google Chrome. So by that, you need to proceed to the settings, which has this gear icon. Please click on it. And in that way, you would be able to be redirected to the Chrome settings. So from here, please navigate to the left pane or the left side of that. You can see there privacy and security, and under the privacy and security tab, you can see there delete browsing data. So the moment you click on it, you would be able to see this kind of window. Go to the basic, from the basic to the advanced rather. So from here, all you need to do is you need to select all of the such. Okay. Once you're good, go with delete data. The moment you've deleted it, you need to close the window. Okay. And proceed to the Chrome again. So by that, navigate to the button search bar and type for Chrome. From here, wait until a best match would appear. Okay. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to double tap to it to continue. This time, you need to proceed again to the three dots at the upper right side of that. Click on it. Okay, and you need to scroll down and go with this help, which has this question mark icon. Please click on it. Okay, and in this way, you need to locate with about Google Chrome. So eventually, you would be redirected to the Chrome settings help section where here it will automatically check for updates. So my Google Chrome is in the latest version, which is 135.0.7049.115. But if you, in your case, you are not in the latest version, your Google Chrome will automatically update itself. So just have to wait until it will be successfully updated. Okay, and once your Chrome is in up to date, all you need to do is you need to close the window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, please bring up your Google Chrome again, and by that, navigate to the button search bar, type for Chrome, and please click on the open option to continue. So from here at the Google Chrome browser, we just have to wait until everything are set before we continue on the checking if it's being fixed or not. So proceed by typing any of the search bar. Let's say for example, let's type for what is a noun and just have to press Control P. Okay, we just have to press Control P in the keyboard and check if the print preview is now working. Okay, so it's now loading preview. So we just have to wait. So see, it's not working this time. So this is good, especially if you would like to print a particular important facts or details here at the Google Chrome. The moment you search it, you would be able to print it right away. Okay? So by that, click on print and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.